Get ready to level up your students' skills with Bella's Burger Shop, the ultimate vocational skills training resource. With 4 fun and engaging activities, your students will work on skills like sorting, organizing, technical skills, and more, all while having a blast. This resource is perfect for vocational training, job skills, work preparation skills, and special ed classrooms. In this resource, your students will get hands-on experience with everything from inventory management to burger assembly, and even data entry. These allow your students to work on a variety of skills that they will apply in the real world. With Bella giving instructions, feedback, and positive reinforcement every step of the way. This is an inclusive resource designed to meet the needs of all students, including those with learning disabilities. All of the text in the resource includes a voice read aloud feature, making it accessible and suitable for all learners. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to level up your students' skills and learning with Bella's Burger Shop, the ultimate vocational skills training resource, now available on My Teachers Pay Teachers store.